Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you I have a subscription box unboxing, and this is my Cohorted box. So this is for the month of May, and Cohorted, if you don't know, is a subscription box in the UK which costs £35 a month. I've been getting it for about a year and I love Cohorted. There has been the odd month which I didn't like, but that was just down to personal choice and not because the products in the box were rubbish or anything like that. So this is what it looks like. It comes around about the 10th of each month, and they do spoilers, but I tend not to look at them. I have already opened this, but I am unboxing it just for you, just so you can see what is inside. I like to check that it's all prim and perfect for you. So here we go. So this is May's Cohorted box. I'm very impressed so far with this month, although I'm not always a big fan of Cohorted palettes just because some of them are quite pale, but we'll dive right into this one and I'll show you what I think of it. But yeah, so far I'm very impressed with this month's box. You also every month get a little book, which is the beauty edit, which tells you all the information about the box. And this month's box comes to have a value of £110, which is just amazing and really good value. So the first product that we're going to dive into this month is the Cargo Cosmetics Wanderlust palette. Basically this comes in at £35. You can buy it cheaper in some places than £35, which is the recommended retail price that Cohorted give it. You can get it in TK Maxx at the moment for about £12.99, but you know, it is recommended retail price of £35. So this is what it looks like inside. You get a lovely selection of colours. Now, usually I'm not a fan of Cargo Cosmetics. I think I said that at the beginning of the video. That is just because personally the shadows don't work for me as well as some other palettes that I have. However, I have heard really good things about this palette, so I'm just going to do some swatches on my arm just so you can see what the pigmentation in this one is like. And what's really just grabbed my eye is this crazy purple, which looks super pretty. Yeah, I mean, that is good. That is good. I'm very impressed with that. The next one is this beautiful green. It has got a little bit of fallout, this one. There we go. So that's the green. I love that purple. That purple and that emerald green are lovely. What else have we got here? We do have some more natural colours in here. There is a like a taupey brown colour. I think the pigmentation in this palette, this Cargo Cosmetic palette, is much better than what I've had previously from Cargo Cosmetics. I feel like this is a pretty good palette. So I think I'll probably do a video on it and I'll let you know how I get on with it. And yeah, I really love those pops of colour that are in here. I think it's going to be a fun one to try, being that in the past I've not loved them. So yeah, let's see how we get on with that one. The next product that I have for you is this little cute bottle, and this is a well, it's a cuticle oil. So cuticle oils are used basically to smooth and hydrate your cuticles and give you softer, more nourished nails. So this one has got vitamin E in it, and it's by a brand called NCLA, and it's a treatment and it's called So Rich. I'm just gonna squeeze it. It's like a cute little pipette, and you just literally would dab it onto your nail and you would just rub it in. It smells kind of sweet, but not like overly sweet at all. So yeah, I'm quite interested to try this. My nails are quite dry and brittle at the moment, so this is kind of exactly what I needed. So what it says about this one is that it's got a peach and vanilla scent, so that kind of describes how I meant that it's quite sweet, but it's a soft sweetness. It's got vitamin E and has sunflower seed oil in it to nourish nails and lock in moisture. So yeah, free from DBP, toluene, and loads of other weird chemicals. It's vegan and non-toxic. So yeah, that sounds pretty good to me. Next is a product I'm incredibly excited about. This looks amazing. This is some ARC skincare. So there's actually 2 ARC products in the box this month, and it's 75 mils. And that is a full size, so this comes in at £35, and it is a Skin Perfector Hydration Injection Mask formulated for all ages, and based on your age they actually give you different directions on how to use this. So I fall into the 30s to 40s category, and it says leave on for approximately 10 minutes. The directions in the book basically say that you can leave it on for an overnight mask. So the Hydration Injection Mask is an intense multivitamin hydration injection to quench and soothe the skin and restore vibrancy. The rejuvenating treatment mask is the ideal weekly pickup to use once or twice a week, and contains encapsulated blends of vitamins for maximum efficiency, including A, B5, C and E. And hyaluronic acid, which is very, very good for you. Okay. It says adjust the amount of time that you would use it according to your age. So yeah, shall we open it up? I'm really excited to try this because I do love a treatment. Feels really expensive the way that it's packaged and comes. Let's have a look. Ooh, okay, here we go. That is the product there. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I wonder if I can... No, I can't open it properly. Let's just... Oh, it's got a tiny little one of those cap lids, which I'm never a big fan of because you can never get as much product out as I would quite like to. Here we go. Oh, okay, it's like a gel. There we go. Can you see that on the back of my hand there? Okay, let's just smooth that in. Oh, I can definitely smell a little bit of lemon. It's very refreshing. Oh, I'm going to have to let you know how I get on with that. In fact, I will probably do a demo and do it as an overnight treatment just to see what the maximum effect is that I can get from it. Oh, it's different. I've never smelt anything quite like that. That's very unusual. It's kind of lemony, but not. There's like other things going on there, but it's not heavily fragranced at all, and it feels really like it goes into the skin like amazingly. Like if my skin felt like this all day, I would be well happy. So here is the next product from the ARC. This is the... Are you gonna focus? There we go. So this is the Intensive Hand and Nail Cream. So I really love the fact that this month they've put in a cuticle cream and a hand cream, because that means they're really going to look after my hands this month. So this has a recommended retail price of £20, and it does say that it's formulated for body and mind, designed to treat your skin through every life stage with products that are suited for your skin's age-related needs. Okay, directions: massage into clean hands, nails and cuticles, used throughout the day and before bed. Brightening hand cream is ideal for all year round to maintain healthy skin. It has omega fruits and lipids, grapeseed, avocado, kiwi, blackcurrant, red algae to target brown spots caused by aging, and ketorin to help strong, healthy nails. Oh, now this sounds interesting. It sounds really good actually. I bet it smells blooming amazing. Okay, is it got... yeah, it's got the same kind of cap on it, but this one seemed to work a little bit better. Let's have a whiff. Ooh. Just gonna rub that in my hands. Oh, yeah, it's okay. It doesn't have a particularly, I wouldn't say that's a overly, it smells alright. It's not amazing, is what I would say. I mean, some people would probably really like that because it's not like a really, really strong fragrance. But it does smell nice, so yeah, I'll give it a go and pop it in my handbag. I'm actually halfway through another tube of hand cream, so this will be going in my handbag right after that one, because yes, it seems pretty good. Okay, and last but not least, we have this product here. This is a toner by Lancome, and it is the Tonic Douche Lotion, alcohol-free refreshener for all skin types. So it is a sample size, but it's a, you know, larger sample size, and they advertise this as having a retail value of £10. So this gentle refreshing toner softly softens the skin without depleting natural oils. Use after a cleansing or during the day for a cool rehydrating lift. Okay, so I think the idea behind this is obviously that you would tone your skin and then you would do your face treatment. So I feel like this box really is got a really good kind of skincare kind of like boost your skincare routine. So, you know, you've got a little toner and you've got a face mask, and then you've got your cuticle cream and hand cream, and then you've got an amazing palette. I actually think this is a really good box this month. Really, really happy with the products. Really think it's great. Just to remind you, so you've got the two ARC products. You've got the Lancome cleanser. You've got the oil, and you've got the Wanderlust palette. So yeah, all in all, very, very happy with this month's box. I think it's some really, really nice, interesting products. Really wasn't sure about this at first when I saw it when I first opened, but do you know what? The swatches has swayed me to give it a go. So I'm gonna give it a go, and I'll do a video on it. And we'll also do a video on the Skin Perfector mask, and leave that on all night. Yeah, and it's just really nice to have a little bit of extra bits and pieces to add to your skincare routine. So guys, that is everything from me. Like I said, I will link all the details for Cohorted below. If you like unboxings and these types of videos, I will share some more around here, you know, like there and there and there, because I do them all the time. So yeah, go and check them out. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications when I upload. I upload daily, generally speaking. Yeah, and I hope you're all having a lovely day and enjoying the sunshine wherever you are. Take care, guys. Bye.